Welcome back. Now, Canva does make it easy for you to update social media profiles. For example, you're going to see that Canva has a LinkedIn background photo as well as a Facebook cover. We are going to create a Facebook cover. Now, the Canva templates are going to be the right dimensions that you're going to need in order to place as your Facebook cover. And so, if you want to filter, you can do that. Otherwise, what you can do is you can search for your keyword. You can then choose a template. Once you have your template, you can edit your template. And this is a photo element, and so you won't have many editable features about this particular template for your cover. You can influence the style based on your brand. And you'll notice that the font changes according to our brand. And we can change the color of the font. But you see that the other elements of this particular template do not change that we are using. And so basically, what we've done is we've created a template for our Facebook page. Once our new cover image is ready, we can then download the cover image and make it available for our Facebook page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.